Hidden ingredients reveal the surprising ingredients in instant ramen, such as MSG, high sodium levels, or preservatives, and their effects on health. Origins of instant ramen. Dive into the history of instant ramen, including its invention by Momofuku Ando and its role in post-war Japan. The true cost of convenience. Highlight the environmental impact of ramen packaging and the carbon footprint of production. What happens inside your body? Explain how instant ramen is digested in your stomach compared to fresh noodle budget meal or hidden expense. Break down the cost of instant ramen over time and compare it to cooking from scratch. The ramen shelf life myth. Investigate whether instant ramen really lasts forever and how its packaging preserves it. Ramen and survival stories. Share stories of people who relied on instant ramen in extreme situations, such as during natural disasters or while living on tight budgets. The nutritional breakdown. Compare the nutritional content of instant ramen to other quick meals, focusing on protein, carbs, and fats. The global ramen economy. Discuss how instant ramen became a multi-billion-dollar industry and its impact on global food markets. Ramen hacks that went viral. Highlight creative ways people use instant ramen, from quirky recipes to DIY repairs. Yes, some use it to fix broken objects. Ramen eating challenges. Feature famous instant ramen eating challenges, such as speed eating contests or trying the spiciest varieties. Yeah, there has been 0 contests. Prison ramen economy. Explore how ramen serves as currency in prisons and its cultural significance in that environment. Define the many ways ramen addictive. Examine the addictive nature of ramen's flavor profile and its psychological impact in state ramen versus fresh ramen taste testing. Instant ramen. Show how ramen is prepared uniquely in countries like Korea. Don't forget to subscribe for more surprising truths, fascinating facts, and mind-blowing insights into the foods you love. Stay tuned for more engaging content. Hit that like button and turn on the notification bell